Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta exhaust smell inside the car and discusses situations where exhaust or unusual fumes may be noticed inside the cabin while driving or when the vehicle is stationary. This issue can appear across different Ford Fiesta model years and engine variants, but it does not affect every vehicle and can vary based on usage, mileage, and maintenance history. In general, an exhaust smell inside the cabin may indicate that exhaust gases are not being fully directed away from the vehicle. In some Ford Fiesta models, verified causes can include exhaust system leaks upstream of the cabin area, such as leaks in exhaust joints or connections, degraded sealing around the firewall, or deterioration in components that normally isolate the engine bay from the interior. In certain cases, ventilation system pathways may allow external exhaust fumes to enter the cabin, especially during idle or low-speed operation. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Depending on the root cause, possible solutions may include inspection of the exhaust system for leaks, checking sealing and insulation between the engine bay and cabin, and verifying proper operation of the heating and ventilation system. These steps are general guidance and may not resolve every situation without a detailed inspection. Available technical information indicates that occurrences and severity can differ across production years and configurations, meaning some vehicles may never experience this issue while others could show symptoms under specific conditions. Addressing the cause early is important, as prolonged exposure to exhaust fumes can pose safety concerns. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.